Hi, and welcome to another edition of Tim Talks. My name is Stacey. I'm the EHS and Maintenance Manager for Texas Injection Molding. And we're here to talk about maintenance operations. Maintenance operations is critical to the functionality of all the equipment and production, specifically injection molding machines and plant facility machines and equipment. Part of doing that to ensure that they are running optimally is to ensure that maintenance procedures are performed on them routinely. We use IQMS, our ERP system, to do so. Outside of routine maintenance, we also encounter equipment failures and breakdowns. Part of the maintenance team's responsibility is to troubleshoot those breakdowns. Today, we are working on a Millicron injection molding machine, an MTG 170. And we've encountered some issues with the die height motor not adjusting properly, not working properly. So part of our troubleshooting process, we want to ensure that all of the control signals, control valves are fully functioning. And because this is a hydraulically operated motor, we want to ensure that our hydraulic pressures are present for the operation of the motor. So today we went through each one of those aspects of the machine, and we've discovered that the proportional valve to the machine is not sending the correct amount of pressure over to the die height motor valve. So our next process is to replace that proportional valve and test the machine's functionality, and then turn it back over to production once we are done. That pretty much wraps up the maintenance department's responsibilities in a nutshell. Thank you for participating in another edition of Tim Talks.